Hello YouTube! In this video, I'm going to show you how this person got rid of 10 years of persistent concussion symptoms in just 3 months using one simple strategy that completely changed their recovery trajectory, and how you can do it too. Most concussion patients spend months to years bouncing from doctor to doctor, seeing multiple specialists, and spending tons of time and money, but really getting nowhere in their recovery and questioning whether this is actually permanent for them. And maybe you've even been told this by your doctors. This is your new normal. Learn to live with it. This couldn't be farther from the truth. The truth is that most concussion care fails because clinicians focus on chasing after symptoms rather than addressing the root causes of those symptoms. Symptom chasing does not work, and you end up getting stuck in the concussion care maze. Now, the concussion care maze, picture yourself sitting in the middle of a round circular room, and there's a bunch of doors around it. Now, one of those doors might be vestibular rehab. Another one might be vision rehab. Another one might be hyperbaric oxygen, or another one might be some supplements or maybe some medications. Now, you don't really know which door to try, so kind of at random, you're like, well, somebody told me about vestibular, so I'm going to go try the vestibular door. Now, what's going to happen is when you open any one of those doors, you're going to come to a long hallway. Some of those hallways are going to cost you money. Some of them are going to cost you time. Either way, there's a cost for trying in any one of those doors. And then you're going to get to the end of that door, and it's going to be a complete dead end. Doesn't work. Doesn't work for your particular case. Sometimes you're going to try a door, and you're going to get to the end. You're going to spend this time and money. You're going to get to the end, and there's just going to be a key sitting there. And you don't know which door that key opens. So then you go back and you try a different door. And again, now you're in a dead end. Sometimes you'll get to the end of the hallway and there's just a locked door, but you don't know which key opens that door, and the key that you already have doesn't open that door. So you come back to the center. The point is, all of this is just a ton of trial and error. You're just trying things at random and it's not working, right? You also have clinicians that don't really have much education on concussion. There's been studies done over the past 10 years that show that concussion was not even on the curriculum at any medical schools. So that means most doctors have zero education on concussion at all, and they're basically trying to guide you with the same wives' tales, like rest and do nothing and your brain needs rest, or there is no treatment for concussion, or this is as good as it's going to get for you. What you really need is a map, because the order of things is actually important. You need a step-by-step process that addresses each of the systems in order. Now, the approach here is called the concussion recovery pyramid. Most people go wrong by jumping right to the top of the pyramid into rehab, right? Oh, vestibular, visual, all these different things, all these rehab approaches. The thing is, this doesn't work because rehab, like vestibular or vision rehab, is actually the last thing that you're supposed to work on. The elements that are missing from most concussion recovery programs are the foundational elements, right? These things down here, these are what we term foundational. These are the things that give you the most results, but yet these are the elements that are missing from most concussion recovery programs, like addressing mindset, the mind-body connection, reducing stress on the nervous system and balancing autonomics, reducing inflammation, the gut-brain axis, balancing hormones. All of these things are needed and necessary to create an environment for healing. Now, I showed you Jack at the start. He had 10 years of concussion symptoms, bouncing around the medical system, seemingly having been everywhere and tried everything. Yet, he still had a super high symptom severity score, 96 out of 132. That is super high. Then he changed up his strategy and started addressing things in the right order. Within 4 months, he was completely recovered. 10 years of symptoms, 4 months, simple strategy, step-by-step, recovered. Same thing with Ruth. 8 years of persistent symptoms when she decided to finally change her strategy. 8 months later, she had reduced her symptoms by over 80%. Stephanie, 2.5 years of symptoms, unable to work or really do much of anything, changed up her strategy, started focusing on fixing the root causes of her symptoms. 3 months later, fully recovered. Or Michael, 20 years of persistent symptoms, started focusing on the foundational elements, and in only 2 months, his symptoms were down considerably. In fact, this strategy works so well that the average symptom reduction within the first 3 weeks of just starting to make these changes, not even fully implementing, but just starting to make these changes, which is what you do in the first 3 weeks, 50% reduction in symptoms in 3 weeks, in as little as 15 minutes per day. So if you'd like to see how this strategy works, register for one of our upcoming patient workshops, where we'll show you exactly what the underlying drivers of persistent symptoms are and show you how making some very simple changes in your approach can help you reduce your current symptoms by 50% in the next 3 weeks, in as little as 15 minutes per day, without having to schedule a single appointment. The research shows that concussion and persistent concussion symptoms are 100% treatable. And the treatments are simple lifestyle changes that you can make on your own. These are not things that doctors are going to tell you. One, because most doctors don't have a strong understanding of how concussion impacts these systems. And two, because medical education is so tied to pills and pharma that they have no idea how to fix these actual systems. This is not something that is routinely taught in medical schools. So you can do this, just like the thousands of people we've already helped to get rid of their symptoms and get back to their lives. So click the link in the description, register for one of these completely free sessions, and we'll walk you through everything you need to know on how to implement these changes as part of your recovery to tackle the root causes of your symptoms. When you tackle the root causes, you'll start to watch your symptoms melt away. And it doesn't take that long. It just takes the right strategy. So see you there. Click the link. Join me for that.